So after completion of frames, so next topic what? Checkboxes and radio buttons. Okay, that is the next topic. So see here, next topic is checkbox and radio buttons. I can click on IRCTC web page. Okay, so HTTPS / IRCTC. Okay, so here is it available any IRCTC? No. Okay, I can type www.ir. Okay, watch this one. This is our web page. Okay, this is what click on flexible checkboxes. Okay, see here checkboxes are available. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 checkboxes are available. Here one defect is there. What is the defect? Alignment issue. Okay, this checkbox is alignment issue is there. This is the IRCTC alignment issue. So now we can launch browser and then we can perform on. Okay, so see here, this is what label actually. This person with disability, I can select what flexible with rate. Okay, so see here, I can inspect the element. See this one. This contains which tag here? So label tag. So label tag contains and class name is there, style is there. Okay, and I can through uh, XPath. Okay, I can access by through XPath or class name. So whatever it is, so I can select only flexible with rate. So that's why this is which tag? Label tag. So that's why I can write like a / label. Okay, so label equal to label test. This is what text here. Okay, that's why text equal to within single quotes. I can write flexible with rate like this. Okay, it is select or not? Select. That is a copy this one. So now write the checkboxes code. Okay, so see here I can erase the previous code. Okay, wait. Actually, this web page is changed now. I can change this web page. So what is my web page? IRCTC trainsearch.com is my web page. Okay, so I can copy this one. Control A, Control C. Okay, so I can paste through the here. Okay, so first what driver dot. Okay, find element. Okay, by dot XPath. Okay, so in that XPath we can paste this one. Okay, that labels I can cut here and paste within double quotes only. Okay, so within double quotes I can paste this one. So after pasting this, you can apply any action here. Yes, click option is there. So you can apply click action checkboxes. Okay, so it is clicked or not. Okay, so now see this one. Save and run it. Save and run it. Okay, so what is the topic here? Checkbox and radio buttons automation. Okay, so after click on OK, it is maximized or not. After running the application, it is maximized. Then flexible with the date is click on the checkbox. Okay, it is also possible. Okay, so it is working perfectly. Okay, so now I can remove this one. I can apply what? So returning Boolean type. Is it true or false? I can applying Boolean types. So that's why I can remove this click option here. Okay, so this find out web element returns what? It find out element returns what? Web elements. That's why I can write what here? Web element. Okay, so web element. Web element. So I can write what FWD forward option like this. Forward flexible with rate, I can write like this. Okay. So next what system dot here we can apply what click option FWD dot I can apply click option. Okay. It is working. Clicking is correct. But I can expect it the Boolean type. So I can expect it is true or false. So true or false means we can use which one is selected. So that's why I can apply here system dot out dot println. Okay. So system dot out dot println. So is selected is for okay. So FW is my variable name dot. Okay. So which one I can apply is selected. So see here, is selected returns. It is true. This kind of clicking is performing. Yes. So that's why it will be displayed. See here. Run it. After running the code. After running the code, I can click on OK. So flexible with the checkbox is clicked or not. Okay. So opening the web page and flexible bit date will be clicked. Okay, see here tick mark will available. Okay, so what is the output here? False. Why false? Okay. So after we can write it is false. So before we can apply click option, it is what is the action here. Now we can see this one. Okay, save the file and run it. So what is the output now? Check it. Okay, so I can click on OK. I can allow. So it is clicked. No, it is not clicked. Why it shows error? Is there any error? Yes. Okay. Element click intercept exception error. Okay. So you cannot click before the shape. Okay. So this is the condition. Next what? Selected particular checkbox. Selected particular checkbox based on the index. Selected particular checkbox based on the index. So now first what identify all the checkboxes by using common XPath. So common XPath already we can return. Okay. Common XPath I can return. Identify all the checkboxes. Identify particular checkbox now. Okay. So particular checkbox identify here you can write what list of web elements. So like that. So remove this one. You can remove all the code. Okay. So I will go through class name. Okay. So select here and check boxes. Okay. Select a particular checkbox based on index. Okay. That's why I can go through here. What is my label name? CTC. I can copy this. Okay. So I can write what XPath here. So control F I can write like this. So before double slash label class. Okay. So label at the rate of CLASS class. Okay. It is selected or not? It is not selected. Why it is not selected? So label spelling is wrong. That's why it is not selected. Okay. So now it is selected. Control A, C. Okay. So next it returns what number of web elements. Do that by driver dot find elements. Okay. By dot XPath. So XPath only within the codes. I can write like this. I can apply which option here? No option. So it returns what? It returns list of web elements. Find element returns list of web elements. So that's why you can write list list. Okay, in that list we can write web element. Okay, so I can store into variable. A variable name is FWD. I can store like this. Okay, so next what count the checkboxes. So what is the count? There are 4 checkboxes are there. So I want count. Count means we can use what size of method. So that's why I can write what system dot out dot println. Okay, system dot out dot println. So I know the size of the checkboxes. Okay, so that's why FWD dot size. So I can apply this one. It displays in the console. Okay. So you can use definitely system.out.println. It shows the output. Okay. So after it is opening, say this one. 4. Why 4? Checkbox are 4. That's why it will be displayed the count. It will be displayed the count. Next 2 and checkbox are selected. So 2, 3 is selected. It is a see here. Here there are 4 checkbox are available. See this one here 4 checkbox are available. So I want to select 2 and 3. It is possible. It is possible to select particular checkboxes. Yes, it is possible. So you can write the for condition. Okay. So for I can apply here for what int I equal to 0, I less than what fwd dot size. Okay, fwd dot I can apply what size method. Okay, so less than I plus plus. I can write like this. Okay, now what if condition if 1 equal to 2 click. Okay. So if index number, so I equal to 1 is my index number by 1, or I equal to 2. So I can click on which option? Sorry. I equal to 1, or I equal to 2. So if so 1 is matched with 2. So same like that, my output is what FWD dot get index I dot what click option. You can perform what click option dot click. See here, it is selecting or not. We can check this one. So save the file and run it. It will be selected or not. You can see in the output. Okay, 2 and 3 is selected. So that's why this condition also correct. So if you mention the in the code, so index start from what 0. So you can write like 0 comma to the same output will be displayed or not. So you can erase this one. See here, I can write 1. Okay, or I equal to 2. Okay, so see the condition is correct or not. Save the file and run it. Executed, and after executed, 1 and 3 will be selected. My condition is 1 and 3 is selected. It is selected or not? Okay, 2 and 3 only it will be displayed. Why 2 and 3? I can again write here 1 year shift 0, save and write. Okay, save and execute again. Okay, so wait, it is loading. 1 and 3 will be selected for some particular checkboxes. It is possible or not. Okay, 1 selected, but 3 not selected. Here it shows some error, click intercept exception error. So why it shows error? Okay, save the file, run it. So cursor is showing some errors. Okay, it is controlled by the Chrome. So only first one only will be selected. So something output is showing error. Okay. So next what? I can select the index. Okay, select last 3 checkboxes. Total number of checkboxes minus total number of checkboxes we want selecting equal to starting index. You can write like that. So see here, int I equal to 1. If you mentioned I equal to 1, then only, so first index from first index onwards, it will be selected. Okay. So check this condition and save the file and execute. Okay. It is working or not. I think there is error in the code. That's why it shows error. Okay. So next class I will execute all these things. Okay. So thank you. Thank you. There is some issue in the internet. Okay. That's why it displays errors.